Alrighty, Anthony, here's your 363 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC block heads on it. It's aftermarket block, custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got the Pro-M manifold, Edelbrock throttle body, blacked out front end. Make sure your alternator charges for you. Beautiful setup. Got the rear sump oil pan, fuel managed Holley Terminator X. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie dokie here, 3600, 401 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 443, peak horsepower 513, rated at 530, so the front end's about 20, so everything's good. Now we'll pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, and show you a couple of little things. Alrighty, when you see the engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. It's got your engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. I highly recommend plug in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It will have your engine number, some other specifications. That engine number, if you need something from us, the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, hover over it, the UR code. That will take you to our site, some more tech stuff there. So I highly recommend watch all this. It will definitely help your installation. Have a great day.